Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you fine. Okay. Welcome to the EVS subject. Today we are going to the lesson number 13. Children, we are already study about in the lesson number 30 facilities for our use. In the last class we are discussing about in the identify the need public facilities and how to protect them. Okay children, I hope all of you understand these lessons. In the last in the last lesson, after completing studying in the lesson facilities for our use, in the last some of the questions here children in your textbook. See first in the textbook. Children, see here in the first questions, write the name of the place you visit. Where did you place? Which are the places you visit? So in the lesson we are discussing about in the first place which children? So library, park, hospital and bus station. You will write for your own places you visit in your locality. Okay children. So next another one question. Which place did you like most and why? Children, which place you like most? For example, children mostly like the park. Already you learn about in this lesson park. This is your park. See here one of the picture of the park. See? Yes or no? This is the one of the picture of the park. How to clean the park? Children, see here. Okay, do you understand? Next. So next one question children. Library, hospital, bus station and park. All are the places of public facilities. Children, already you learn about in this lesson. These are the very important. So these are places very important to public facilities. Who use them? These are library, hospital, bus stations and park. These are the public facilities used usually public. Okay. So next one, the facilities which we use are public facilities. Why do we need them? Why children? So we need public facilities for good civic lives. Okay. Such as a health and education and another one transport. Okay. So another one. Who protect these public places? Now about it and write. You write this children. Who protect the public places? So generally responsibility of not only we are. So government also, but also of each and everyone protect the public places. It is the responsibility of not only for the government but also one of the each and everyone. Every citizens to protect the public places. Okay children. Next another one. Write the names and the need of the public facilities that you see in the pictures in the space given. So children, first of all you see the pictures. What is this? What is the name of this picture? This is the water tank. We use water tank to get the water. Already anywhere you see. Okay. Next another one. This is the one picture of the government primary school. See here one of the board here. First one. Okay. We go to the school to study. We go to the school to study. Children, see here another one picture. What is this picture? What is the name of this picture? You already know in this lesson. You learn about in this lesson. What is the name of this picture children? So it is a library. Library. Here the two boards. So it is a library. We can read many books. There we read the books in this library. Keep silence is very important in this library. Okay. Next another one. Another one picture. This is a hospital. It is a hospital. Okay. We go to the hospital for the treatment. Why we are going to the hospital children? We will feel illness or weakness. We go to the hospital for the treatment. Okay. So next another one. This picture is called as bus station. Okay, we go to the bus station if we want to go travel to other city. Okay children, this is a bus station. People can travel one place to another place. These are the pictures. Already we all learn about and discussion about these pictures. So these are pictures. Another once again you remember it and find out the picture's name. Okay children. So next, this is the post office. This is a post office. Post office we can commitment with the people. We go to the post office, we post the letter. You know children. Next, another one. Park. This is a park. It is a fresh our mind. We can play and enjoy. And we go to the park to play. So mostly you also you go to the park, you play and enjoy. Okay children. See here children. This is a railway station. It is transport goods and people one place to another place. Okay. And next. And see here children, what is this? This is a street light. It gives us light for our street. We use street light in the night to go to the light. Okay. At night time we are going to show the lightness. Okay children. Next another one. What is this? This is a toilet. It is need for maintain the cleanliness. We are use the public toilet to go for toilet. It is one of the facilities for our facilities. So public facilities is called as our facilities. You know children. Next another one. This is a market. We can buy and sell things here. We go to the godown to bring the groceries. Okay children. You know that this is called as what? Godown. And another one. In the last picture, this is a road. It is help to the transportation. We drive the vehicles on the road. It is a very important note children. You already learn about these pictures and discussion about this and how to protect these public facilities. Not only responsible to the government, we are very important responsibilities for cleanness of our public facilities. Okay children. Children, see here, observe this picture carefully. So you see this picture. What is the situation of this picture and how to be cleanness or how to be protect of these pictures for our. So next write that what you do in such situation. What do you in such a situation? For example, children, see here in the first picture, this is a public toilet. For example children, this is a public toilet. It is not clean. So what situation? In this situation what do you do? So I will put sufficient water to the public toilet. So how to be clean in the how to clean this toilet. Okay children. Next. So next another one children, see here in this picture, in the daytime the street light is on. So when we see in the daytime the street light on, so I will say to elders, switch off the light in the daytimes or we will put off the street light. Okay children. Next another one picture here, the water is tap water is flowing. When we see any tap is open, you close it. We will turn off the tap. Okay. Next another one children, see here the girl, somebody put the garbage outside. What will we do? We will tell them to put the garbage in the dustbin. Okay children. So next another one, some some of the boy is throwing to the stones to library. What will we do? So we will tell them to not to throw the stones to the library. Okay, children. Okay, children, these are the discussion about the how to protect these are public facilities. Okay, next one question here. Make a list of the public facilities in your locality. What are the public facilities? You will write here given the places. Okay, children. So what are the school, hospital, park, library, roads, bus stand, post office, railway station, and etc. You will write here the answer. Okay, children. Next one. School is a public facility. So why? Right here. So your exam means. So why school is a public facilities? Because school belongs to all the citizens or public, and school is a place where everyone can get the education. You know? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So how do you and your friends keep your school clean? How, children, you and your friends keep your school clean, or your classroom also clean? We should not scribble on the walls, scrub on the walls. We have to throw waste in the dustbin. Okay, children. So these are the, remember the instructions of our public facilities. Okay, so I hope all of you understand this lesson. So one time you full lesson you will read and write, you will read and understand this lesson, and how can we protect our public facilities. You should try it. Okay, children. Thank you, children.